Helicopter by Zoom. Let's go ahead and get this open and take a look at how they package this inside. Right, on the side, you have your user manual right here. Let's open this up. There it is. It's a really cool copter. Now under the copter you have your remote. In the plastic bag is going to be your charging cable, an extra propeller, and a tool to help you take off the battery to the remote. Now the remote does use AAA batteries. It doesn't come with batteries, so you would have to provide those yourself, but you get 4 AAAs in there and you'll be ready to go. Now I will say that the design of this is made really well. It's really durable. I did crash land it a couple of times and it's still holding up, still looks brand new. So I think this is a nice copter to buy if you're into RC flying. Now full battery gives you about 10 minutes of flight time, and it only takes about 60 minutes to fully charge. Some nice features of this helicopter is that it's 2.4 gigahertz. It has an auto hover mode, and if you keep it on too long, it automatically shuts off. And that's the S51H radio control helicopter. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps you make your decision. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Other than that, this is Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Quick look here. We got the remote, and here's the helicopter. One thing you need to know is these propellers, they come loose. You just have to tighten these right here, and we'll show you in the instructions. It's gonna be nice. It's for ages 8 and up. Now a 10-year-old is gonna love playing this a lot. It doesn't take too long to charge, and we're gonna give this a try and fly it around, have a lot of fun with it. I just want to give you guys a quick look here so you can see how it looks up close in my hand. Really fun toy. And let's see how she flies. Stay back here, Corey. Ruby, I should get out the way.
This S51H remote control helicopter. This is a 2.4 GHz military army helicopter toys for boys, girls, kids with altitude hold, 1 key takeoff or landing or LED light, low battery reminder. So I will show you this one by one, and as you can see, this comes in a really protective packing. And this is the helicopter, this is the RC remote. So this is the whole package content, and this comes the accessory bag. This accessory bag have this screwdriver, this charging cable, and an extra this rotor or the fan thing. So let me just open up this remote control with this supply tool, and then just I will show you. This required 4 batteries, AAA. This is the charging cable for the helicopter. So this helicopter is a rechargeable one, and here is the charging station thing. So just add in this, and this will go in the USB with the adapter. So now for the battery, I'm just putting in battery for the remote control. And now just checking if start or not, and then covering the back. So you have to pair this helicopter with the remote first before using it. So you can see like the blinking light on the remote, and you have to on the helicopter. Here is the lights, and the helicopter also start blinking. So once they are paired, see both lights will become solid. See, the both lights become solid, so they are paired now. And I just started it, and there is a one control takeoff that I will show you in outdoor as well. So see, like this is the one button takeoff, and this is going really smoothly without any issue. The control is getting like the rotation up and down, right, forward, or anywhere you want to do. So it's really fun playing with this helicopter, and this one is, you can see, is going really good. And with the button, like one button, it will just come down and off on its own. See, it's really fun for the kids.